Got a quick unboxing today. I thought I'd have a quick look at the Corsair MM350. This is a new gaming mat that's just come out from Corsair, and it's the extended size. You'll see on the box there the measurements. Quite a bit bigger than the MM300, and I'll do a little comparison with that very shortly. I'm just showing you over the box so you can see some of the features. Yes, it's a gaming mat, but it is a premium one, and it is touted as one of the better gaming mats out there. The reason I'm looking at this particular one is because I wanted a larger than standard size gaming mat, and the 300 version is pretty big, but it's not that deep in terms of the size. There's about 10 centimeters difference between the two. Worth giving this a quick check over just to make sure everything's in order. I've not had a problem with Corsair myself, but whenever you get something new you want to have a quick look, make sure everything's okay. Here's the thickness difference between the two. The MM350 is quite a bit thicker, 5mm versus 3mm on the 300. Just show you the included documentation. As I said, just check it over, make sure everything is in order. On the underside you've got the herringbone effect with the rubber. Never had any problems with Corsair gaming mat slipping around on a surface, even relatively shiny one. You've got the Anti-Fray edge design, and here's the two mats lined up so you can see the size difference. Exactly the same length, but that extra 10 centimeters depth does make quite a difference. It is on the pricey side, have to admit, but it's very smooth, very fine grain to it, so that means to say when you're sliding the mouse around it moves without any friction at all. It's one of the better mats that I've tried. A few pictures that I took just to give you an idea of the texturing and the pattern. You have that scratched, worn surface look to it, which also means that it's very easy to keep this clean. Very nice smooth surface on the Corsair. You can wash this, I have done with the 300, just use very light detergent and just very slightly warm water. There is another use that I have for these mats, and that is when I do videos or take pictures. I sometimes use this wooden surface because it's quite a neutral background. I need to be able to see light or dark coloured objects on it if I'm doing a video or taking pictures. When I flip the mat over, I'm on auto white balance on the camera, and you'll see it's gone from a sort of magenta tint, and it's evened it out now to a more natural colour balance so that things look as they should do. It's easy enough to set this yourself. I just find if you have a very neutral background like this, it makes for a really good surface where you can actually take pictures or a video so that you can see the product clearly. It's not something that's going to be important for everyone, but it is a nice little extra touch. For most people I think that the 300 is probably large enough, but if you need that extra depth, the 350 does offer that. A slight premium, it's around about £25, and then it goes up to around 35, so it's not cheap, but the quality is nice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found that useful, and I'll catch up with you soon.